Okay, we're going to take a look at this demolition hammer real quick. It's pretty nice. I just bought it for a job, and the job we needed a lot bigger hammer, and this one got literally like 2 minutes of use on it. So it's brand spanking new. It's got a big toggle switch on the back. It's got a speed control on the side, as you can see. It's got a nice size grease port. That right there, black on top right there, is the actual grease port. It's got a really nice handle on it. It's got a really decent size chuck on it. So the top piece you can actually push down on and put the chuck in. Then there's the back piece here where my pinky's at. The back side you can push up on it and rotate the bit to any position you want. It's really nice. It comes with a screwdriver. You can pop this out and get the flathead or the Phillips head. You got your for the grease port. It comes with new brushes, 2 extra brushes for the motor that pop in really easy. It's pretty amazing, actually. And then you got your obviously you got your idiot sheet and warranty. So the specs on it are pretty nice, actually. So you got 12.5 amps, so you can plug it into any home and have no problem. The impact rate goes from 0 to 1900 BPM, which is really nice. 18 foot-pounds of torque, I guess it is, for the impact energy. The SDS max type is what they're talking about. It runs on 120, 115 volt. Comes with a 10-foot cord. The cord is actually really nice. I was actually kind of surprised. It's like a silicone-based cord, so it's really durable, which is actually really nice. And the weight is basically 23 pounds, 23.2 pounds. So it's really nice. Like I said, you can see all the extra stuff going on here. 360-degree rotation, variable control. It's built really well. I wanted to show everybody. And you have it's a carbon brush that goes here. And when the light goes on, it'll tell you that the brushes need to be replaced. Now that's really a key thing when you're doing concrete and stuff like that. So you don't have any problems. The light will come on, swap out the brushes, and that's a while down the road. Obviously, it'll be a long time. But then it's got a nice handle here that takes up all the energy, so you don't have it, that really hurting wrist at the end of the day. This actually is very good at keeping the vibration down. So let's just take a close look at the rest of this. It's pretty beefy. It's got a vent on the back here. The vent goes through the top and out the back for the motor. It's pretty heavy duty. I mean, this is really nice. I actually don't want to sell it, but I probably won't use it because it was designed for one project. So it's very nice. Does a really good job. It chips up concrete with no problem pretty quick. Chattahoochee and stuff like that, it chips it up really fast. We were using this blade for I used the machine for maybe like 5 minutes, if that, and you can see by the blade didn't have much use on it, but it was chipping up pretty quick. So anyway, they run 284, 286. You cannot use a coupon with this at Harbor Freight, okay? So that's one downside. But the other upside is it's very heavy duty, very well built. I was actually kind of surprised. And we're going to put it up for sale. It's $280. And the bit here is like $40. So we're going to call it $260 out the door. All right. Hope that helps you guys out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good one.